Hi friends, open to the first page in your packet, and then you'll follow along and listen as I read each paragraph for you. Point to the first paragraph. A community cannot run without help. People must be put in charge. Who are these people? What do they do? Read to find out. The government is made of people who work for the good of all. There are 3 types of governments. A local government runs a town or city. A state government runs the state. The biggest government of all runs the whole country. The people in a place choose their leaders. A leader is a person who leads others. People vote to choose a leader. An election is a time when we vote for our leaders. The person with the most votes wins. A mayor is the leader of a town or city. Some mayors have many people to help with the job. They make up the city council. They listen to the citizens. They find ways to help them. A governor is the leader of a state. The governor works to help the people in that state. Towns and cities have many needs. They need good roads. They need schools. They need police. The government tries to meet those needs. They use taxes to pay for the needs. A tax is money paid by citizens and businesses. Taxes pay for roads. They pay for schools and police.